उन सबको संबोधित करते हुए ये जानकारी जी तो वाइस चांसलर सर कोकिला जी जिनसे अक्सर स्टेडियम में कासा स्टेडियम में मुलाकात होती रहती है हमारे डी सर अतुल गिरी जी This is the political idol.
So program along chief guest Dr. Tuliram Rohang Fansika Samelali account kapek du penazoksi election por apotma nachetom dungi panalami wan tungurus dami por kaduri penazoksi nili fansi aku langi dimno chief guest wat sini ni dak nachetom dungu apen student and professors tu pen ichethano ningarong
ande sala karbiang long CU ETS center tu binangi si binang atong hindos ka
Lapan alam saya bangki lagi overall Assam University pernah central ni kasi baso bangki mo port temple po masih lah bangki computer alam dak jam jigi adim long ni dat penang adim kita jam mapur hati langsung situ sampai tu.
Good afternoon. Today, 5th April of 2024, we have organized our annual general freshers of our Assam University Diphu campus. Today, on this occasion, we have invited our chief guest, Honorable Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, a CEM of our Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. But due to his tedious work, instead of him, we have received our Honorable Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council in charge of education, Shri Richard Tokbi. So today, on the occasion, we were delighted to have such important guests today with us to encourage our freshers who are yet to pursue their education and who are still determined to have a path on their career. So as the president of Assam University Diphu campus, it is my goal to encourage my fellow students and my dear juniors. Thank you.
Indeng 7, mari 7 freshers meet padupon lo. Labangso freshers meet along nilitum along nacho tongdun chief guest pen manglo ake hai Richard Tokbi nilitum maching honai ake hai Dr. Tuliram Ronghang nilitum CM ang alang li ake thenai lo alang li patum chief guest along chupalo sitame alang li asai ki do joini manglong le derlo bawa pitch sitame alang li pin labangso freshers ki pachun long penang an nang charap nang chitu dundu penang an ki pachun long nang charap dundu lasi pinitum ka chorogang tunga bangke ke hai Richard Tokbi education em alang litum